You ready? Task at hand today. We're going to cut some limbs off this tree. It's a couple of branches that are on top of the camper, so we're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut them down. I want to put it like, let's put it like at this part right here. We're gonna use Ryobi today. Man, this is kind of loose. We got to pull it away from the camper somehow. But
you just cut
I'm gonna cut right here so it can drop this way. But if I drop it this way, it's gonna take me out, I think. So let's move over a little bit. That's good. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna bring it down. Are you sure you don't want to save the wood?
What?
Just in case we have a hurricane, we need wood for fire.
Definitely get called here. You know the best way to store wood?
Huh?
You know the best way to store wood? Put it on the tree.
Who asked you anyways? Don't mess up my hair. Hey, yeah. When you're next to me, you're gonna have to keep it down. There you go. Now turn it. There you go. I'm gonna have to pull a Tom Cruise. I'm gonna have to get stilts to get it to your height. Get away from me, man. You're too large. All right. Beauty, just like that. All right, let me cut another one. Huh? Yeah, well, I don't want to do too big of a piece because it's gonna fall on, it's gonna hit. There you go. There we go. Ooh, look at that lizard. See it?
That's so you don't jump off the ladder.
What? If he jumps on me, I'm gonna swan dive off of here. Oh God. Any more? All right, let me cut this. It almost went too. Not if I can help it. Okay, so that one's good. I want to take that, see that dead one? I'm gonna take that out too. Here's our first risk assessment here. But I think so. If I just cut it like that one and start pulling it, maybe. All right, we can try it. What's the worst that can happen?
Famous last night. Be a cowboy back in there.
You gonna try to lasso it? All right, let's see.
I can only lasso paddle. All right, it's a little higher than I thought. So I got over.
Let's try this a different way. Give me that. You can throw this.
You want a branch?
No. Why a branch when we can coconut it?
Hit Mr. Eisenhower with a coconut. You can coconut it. It's tied to this.
No what? What?
Like this.
No what? Come on. Give me that.
Can't see him.
Sorry, but what is going on here?
Dude, we're making a fishing line with a weight.
If you were in an island and you only had a coconut and you had only a coconut and you had all this rope.
You're on a stranded island with a rope. I don't want to hit the gutter.
Go ahead, go hit the gutter. It's not gonna do anything. I don't think. All right, that's good. Come on, you're gonna lose it! Hey, that worked. See, if you were in a desert island with a bunch of rope.
Ow! I heard that clanger. Yeah, that was my knuckles.
Try it? No? Okay, hold on.
I'd probably pull it now.
All right, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Okay, that works. Okay. You want me to come down and cut it up?
Yeah, probably.
Nice. Now that's off the roof. We don't have a bunch of leaves up there. When you bother those ants,
They bite you for
they start coming.
They bite for fun.
Yeah. Grab it. I need to, there you go.
They're gonna be like, hey, where'd you get such a big A-frame?
Who? Oh, yeah.
It goes extended?
Yeah.
This is the 8-foot ladder.
This ladder is what, 15 feet?
I think so. It's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be tethered between. This is not supposed to go like this.
Come here, Lily Wooly. What you doing, Lulu? She likes it.
Her legs are going over.
You like that, Lily? Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Hope you enjoy these videos. Ooh, it's hot out here. Hey, camera girl, say something.